Hi, John here. I've got the covers off to my sump pump and sewage ejector. So the reason I mounted them deep for two reasons. One reason is the sewage ejector over there. The pipe has to come underneath a 4-inch floor, 4 8-inch footings, and 60 feet of pipe at with a pitch of 1/4 inch per foot. That gives you 15 inches. That gives you a total of 23 inches down from the top of the floor the top of the pipe will be. Then you add the thickness of the pipe, then your pipe is down 27 inches. So right here, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, maybe now you can see that. I'll move it here a little bit. You can see I'm down about 24 inches to the top of the regular sump basket I bought. Then the pipe is about another 8 inches down. Now you notice this is my little furnace room right here. I've got part storage there. But if these pipes came right straight up out of here, I wouldn't have been able to use this furnace room for much other than squeezing by. Normally what you see on a sewage ejector is the two pipes coming out of the top, out of the cover, and then the wires coming out. And that'd all be coming up right here, and the pipes would be coming up here. But as you notice, the pipe goes up and then down into my line going out to my septic system. Another little tip is the line comes this way into here, and make sure your pump is turned so that toilet paper and other things don't end up on top of your float, which will cause the float to malfunction. I've seen them hang up from toilet paper and hang down. So it's important to make sure the flow of the sewage doesn't go onto the floats. Then I like the way my wiring comes up into my alarm. I don't know why, but a lot of people install sewage ejectors and sump pumps without alarms on them. It seems to wait until the wife is screeching that there's sewage in the basement. So do it right, put in an alarm, and have the pump oriented properly, and it should last a while. You can tell it's sort of not real clean in there, dusty and that. This pump's been in 17 years and it's been pretty much trouble-free. I did have the plumber, when they installed the toilet, just smashed the test plug and set the toilet, and the little pieces of plastic went down inside the sewage ejector. And sewage ejectors are smart. They know when you have company. We had company from Australia, and the alarm went off. Pulled the pump out, found a little piece of plastic jammed between the impeller and the housing, and didn't think much of it. But then about 3 days later it happened again, and then I'm like, it was the test plug from the toilet. So that's another thing to watch for. Thanks for watching.